What's up, guys? Welcome back to another trading recap. Yesterday I got a trade on gold. It was not a. I took two entries. The first entry was a little early, so I got stopped out, and then the second entry I closed 50% when I saw a certain amount, and then I set my break even, and when we hit break even, I closed my day off in 0.2% profit. So it's more or less a break even day yesterday. But I want to show you what happened. Uh, we had Asia, which was bullish, and London came through here. We have London low here, Asia low here, and right here, I think I was looking at the EMAs and the candlestick movement. We're getting some rejections at London High, but if we get a baseline touch and liquidity grab like this, I might look into something like baseline touch, break and close above London High, and break above break and close above Asia High and previous. This would be Monday high. Yeah, Monday high because this was Tuesday. But something else happened. If we keep going here, we see that we actually get some good reaction and some nice price action around the EMAs, and we could have potentially we could have bought when this candle here broke, but that's not my session. So we go into US session, which opened yesterday. Then these candlesticks come here, and I'm stopping right here because this is 15:30. This is my session. So this was my first entry was around here when this candlestick broke this candle low, and I don't remember if yeah, we'll see. So my entry was around here, and then this motherfucker came up and made that. Then we got this candle here that broke and closed below London session. We got this huge liquidity grab. We got the 1 hour baseline touch, 30-minute baseline touch, and 15-minute baseline touch. And the candlesticks closing below baseline and 9 and 18, and we see that 9 and 18 break through the 250 EMA and SMA, break below London low and close below London low. I get in at the candle flip here, put my stop above the candle high here, and then when I when we got this move down below previous weekly low and previous day Monday equilibrium, uh, I saw 1% and secured 1% profit and secured 50%, so 0.5%. But I was already down for the day, so that was getting some back, so I could end the day in eventual break even. And when I closed 50%, I set my break even, and then it retraced quite a lot. And when it retraced and came back up, we saw on the 5-minute time frame it made a bullish candlestick up, touched my break even, and then we got this beautiful move to the downside. We broke and closed below weekly low and previous daily equilibrium, and then we hit my target at previous daily low, and from there the rest is story. Let's just and today I didn't take a trade, but there was a trade. I was taking a day off with the family, but this trade just had the potential to keep going. And then we had the second trade here after the CPI. I didn't really want to trade today because yeah, my session came in here. Then we got the baseline touch, engulfing below 9 and 18, and then entry on the candle flip here. So very nice price action, very nice movements. But I didn't think that gold would make another push to the downside. I wasn't convinced. So that's why I didn't take the trade. I looked at it and I was on the charts for a few minutes when this came in. That's why I put the trade in here. Um, yeah, and the trade from yesterday just went mental. Um, so yeah, as you've seen the two previous videos and now this one, uh, this trade hit target. This trade just went mental and was very nice. I could have passed the last 3 days, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. I could have passed my phase one on my funded challenge. So yesterday I got quite annoyed and frustrated because me setting a break even here is because I'm in drawdown. So that's why I'm so protective of the capital right now. I was down, yeah, as you saw in my NFP video, I'm on a 3 week winning streak. I'm up 3% since yeah, 3 weeks ago. So I have a 3 week winning streak, 1% uh, per week, more or less, or average 1% per week. So I'm very happy and very stoked. That's also why I got so frustrated. I got out and break even and I got 0.2%. So I'm kind of happy with that, but I would have been even happier if I have hit my target. And today I didn't trade, so I can't say anything. But yesterday I took this one. So yeah. But this one was also valid and a very nice trade, 128. So and this one could have been just mental if I've held it all the way down here. Uh, I wouldn't be able to because as you can see I have the take profit amount here, so we would have made beyond uh, what I have to make. So yeah, I would have passed right here. So there would have been some swap, but I would have passed then, let's just say here. Yeah. So a little frustrated yesterday and a little irritated, but I just have to get my confidence back and I'm protecting the capital as long as I'm in drawdown. Once we hit like yeah, once we hit 100k on the account again, I'm going to be more what's it called? I'm going to be more I don't know the word for it. Confident in holding my position. because then I was in a drawdown of 8%, so I was down in 92,000, and now I'm at 95,000. Um, yeah. So when I get to 100k on the account again, or if I keep to let, I'm trying to get to do something new because I'm using, as I've said before, the magic keys, and the magic keys have, when I use it, I can open calculator, and then I can place my stop loss and my take profit. Then I click open trade, and then it opens the trade where the price is at the moment. And then I can, next to open trade, there's a double order. But I misunderstood this button because I thought it would open two orders, two entries, but split the risk. So if I wanted to risk 0.5%, it would split the risk to 0.25% per entry, but that's not right. It just copies the order I just placed on open trade. So I have to enter the first trade with the first entry with 0.25%, and then click double order. Then I think that it would be psychologically easier for myself to hold the to let the one of the entries go, because let's just say that the one of the entries goes 50% to the target. I can close that, then I closed 50% of the position. My full trade is 0.5%, but that would be that would be cool with me to close one entry at 50% of the target and let the next one go all the way to the target. I think that would help me a lot to try and get that confidence in letting the winners run. Um, so that's what we're going to try at yeah, next time there's a trade. As I just showed you and said, there was a trade here today, but I didn't take it. I was with the family today, took a day off. So this was a little longer recap than I usually do, but we also got some other other things to talk about, and some other things I wanted to get in the journal for future me, also that I think loud and not just say it to myself in my head, but actually say it to myself out loud. That helps a lot, and this journal has helped me a lot. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel if you want to see going from electrician to full-time trader eventually. Have a nice one, guys. Bye.